My Visitors and Friends Level 2 Phonics CH and TH. It's a chair. It's a chair. It's a cheese. It's a cheese. It's a cherry. It's a cherry. It's a chicken. It's a chicken. It's a chin. It's a chin. It's a chocolate. It's a chocolate. It's a thumb. It's a thumb. It's three. It's three. It's thunder. It's thunder. It's thick. It's thick. It's thin. It's thin. It's a thread. It's a thread. Great job!